Presiden ke NPP Meghalaya, Bah Prestone Tynsong, hakasini kong loong makum kinelam, kintre berba hakini kinat sengi, bagi numti shuh, tak haduh menadap ke election MP. Ya kani ulakren hadien Dewan Mensendan thep kyrteng katong MP juga NPP, kong amperin do hakani kesini kong.
It's very special for us, be it Tura or be it Shillong, and I'm very sure this time we'll be able to come out successfully both the constituencies. See, now we are yet to know exactly because they are yet to file a nomination. So I'm not in a position to tell you which are the party whom we are going to fight most. But from our perspective is, see, NPP right now is we are on the ground and all our party leaders, they visiting each and every polling station, each and every village, and we will not sleep till 19th of April. The polling day is over, then only we'll be able to sleep. What I'm saying, this election this year, the MP election in Meghalaya is so special for the NPP because you know in the last term we did not set up candidate here in Shillong, the parliamentary seat, only from Tura, and we won with a thumping majority as far as Tura is concerned in the last term. So this term, I'm telling you, we are going to win both the seats, and I'm very sure because you know our party leaders, the grassroots party workers, they now on the job, they are working, and not only that, they are entering to each and every household to explain people that please vote for the NPP this time. So what anti-government see? In fact, I'm telling you, people are joining us every day. Why they do that? Why they do that? Because they have seen it, not only MDA 1, but MDA 2. A matter of 1 year, we have seen a lot of changes, a lot of focus we made for the interest of the state as a whole. So therefore, lot of leaders, irrespective of which denomination you are, which party you are, but they keep joining us. So you understand that NPP is growing day by day. They vote because of development. One is the development, and number two, they have seen that the leadership is stable in the party of NPP, and we don't have any misunderstanding among the party leaders. We are one. NPP we don't call political party. We used to call NPP family. So that's why people, they really love party NPP because of this quality we have.